Hello, Rico Wedding Singer here, and I'm going to teach you guys how to pop your shoulder with a broom. Let's get to it. Let me show you how it's done. First of all, place your arm like so, keeping the force this way constantly. Then you place the broom through here. Use this hand, push your shoulder this way, turning your whole body in the same direction. Same for the other side. Place your arm on your hips, forcing all direction this way, placing the broom like so against the wall. Push your shoulder and twist your whole body in this direction. Again, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.